Some Metro educators are trying to get students and teachers to think differently about math. They have a real concern. In the last decade, math scores have remained flat in our nation's report card, while many countries, experts say, have been gaining. Brian Mastery spent some time in the classroom to see the work on trying to change those numbers.
This week,
I noticed these kids saying this.
A dozen school districts from Gretna to Bellevue examine different ways of teaching high school math.
Do you think your use the quadratic formula?
On this day, Bellevue East Tina Holbrook is leading the way in Algebra 1.
You have a 7. How did you get that?
What's different about this class in her 20-plus years of teaching? High school math teachers from Bellevue East and West are in the back of class, taking notes, observing what works, what doesn't.
It's conversation level that has never occurred before.
Dr. Martha Bruckner is leading the way as 12 school districts, community colleges, and UNO work on best practices to get math to stick. That way, these students don't forget what they learned in high school and have to retake classes at the next level.
If we have more students graduating from high school ready to succeed in math in college, they're going to save money, they're going to succeed quicker.
Until today, the math teachers have been developing the plans with their peers.
Do not interfere with the natural process of the lessons.
But this is the first time they've taken those changes straight to the classroom.
So the formula up there?
What's B? Oh.
And with other teachers watching.
I've done this activity for a long time, but I've never done that.
These Gretna and Weeping Water math teachers tackled geometry in their project.
The kids bought into it, knowing the importance of that activity.
So what are we going to do first?
You gotta like put in this.
Yes.
Okay,
let's try it.
The observations from the other teachers here, the freshmen and sophomores weren't shy asking for help from each other and were engaged most of the 47-minute class. Some worked hard at defending their answer, even if it was wrong, all encouraging signs to organizers. One student even told another they weren't just going to tell him the answer, otherwise he'll never learn.
Look at each other's work and find it out.
The big takeaway to share, the teachers and students are trying to solve a big problem together. On your side in Sarpy County, Brian Mastery, 6 News.
Well, the high school and college collaboration is also tackling other issues such as early literacy.